The Indian capital of New Delhi has confirmed another case of the new coronavirus. The total number of infections in the country has now risen to 31. The latest is a patient who has a travel history to Malaysia and Thailand. He is said to be in a stable condition. Meanwhile, the Indian government has advised people to avoid mass gatherings to stop the virus from spreading. Earlier, Health Minister Harshvardhan took stock of the preparedness at the Delhi International Airport. He will also be visiting the Chennai City Airport. This comes as the government is in the process of setting up thermal screening measures for passengers across all airports in India. Remember, many of the cases are linked to a group of travelers from Italy. 16 Italian nationals along with one Indian driver traveling to the northwestern city of Jaipur have also tested positive for COVID-19. Meanwhile, all the government and private primary schools in the national capital will remain shut until the 31st of March amidst the outbreak. Health Minister Harshvardhan has said that the government is also preparing a containment plan for the city of Agra, which houses the iconic Taj Mahal. Indians have been asked to refrain from travelling to China, Japan, South Korea and Italy. Screening of passengers is happening for the first time at all major seaports, while screening has been tightened at all checkposts in states bordering other countries. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that there is no need to panic. Our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibbal now joins us live from India's capital, New Delhi, for the latest on the situation on the ground. Siddhant, talk to us. The worries and the fears have only increased with every passing day in India.
Well, yes, the situation remains precarious and the government does not want to take any chances. We know number of measures have been announced today itself. We know that the Indian Army is making more quarantine facilities across the country now, including in Kolkata. We also know that the biggest story is that no mass gathering. That is the message from the government here, and this has been a notification that has been issued to all state governments as well. One of the biggest thing which has happened now is the ceremony that happens at the border between India and Pakistan at Wagha. The ceremony will happen, but no visitors will be allowed. So you can understand these measures are being implemented immediately so that there is no spread of the virus. We know the total number of count now stands at 31, even though technically it stands at 28 because 3 people have been discharged, these 3 people from the southern Indian state of Kerala. But by and large, more measures can be expected in coming few days. We already know that the Indian Army has also given out notifications saying that no gathering should take place when it comes to army functions as well, because we know that this disease can spread through one person to another due to these mass gathering. In fact, as you highlighted, the Indian Prime Minister himself has said that he is not going to take part in any holy gathering because of the fact that it can lead to a spread of the virus. But we know that at the international airports now, screening will take place wherever you come from to India, and that is the reason we know that this the government expects will help curb the spread of this virus. We also know that today Bhutan confirmed the first case of coronavirus, and this person was an American tourist who was in India. He was in Mumbai, he was in Calcutta, and he was in Assam, and then he traveled to Bhutan. Contact tracing of this specific American tourist has started. The Indian authorities, the Indian Health Ministry is taking all action and trying to find out the people with whom this American tourist was in touch with.
Siddhant Sibbal, our principal diplomatic correspondent, joining us with that latest update straight from India's capital, New Delhi. Thank you, Siddhant, for being this here on WION Dispatch.